Hey guys, I'm going to be doing another resin beach tutorial. So I went ahead and mixed up some Artworks resin and added some blue pigment to it. As you can see, I already did one layer and I forgot to video it, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I'm going over it. That's the best thing about resin, is if you don't like the way it looks, you can go over it with a new layer. So I'm basically just taking a dark blue and a light turquoise blue and just going to take my gloved fingers and mix them. Try to get like a gradient type of look going. Then underneath the blue, I'm going to be pouring some clear resin, and then under the clear, I pour some white and do a couple stripes to look like some different layers of waves. And then you just take a heat gun or a hair dryer and hold it on an angle, and you're just basically trying to blow the white up through the clear or up through the blue, and just try to spread it out, but not too much. And then you take your heat gun, your flamethrower there, and you just go back and forth over the white. And what that does is it creates some really cool looking cells, and it makes it look like frothy waves. Then I always just go over it with another little drizzle of white on the edge, because I like the edges to look smooth on the underside. So that's how you get that effect. If you want to blow it out some more, you just got to keep playing with it until you like the look of it. And then hit it with that heat torch again to pop some air bubbles and create those cells in the foam. And this is it. It's all done now and dry. What I did was I added some seashells to the bottom. I just laid them on top of the resin while it was wet. And I just love the way this looks in the sun. The light blue pigment I used had a pearl effect to it, so it really looks like it's deep down in there and it shines in the sun really nice.